Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So you just put the tool inside the hole on the slot, next to the slot comes out. So here you have to insert your SD card, and right next to it you can insert your SIM card. You have two slots. The one is like SIM 1 is this one, is SIM 2 is this one. So let's insert SIM 1 for example, and then put it back into your device just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, or it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that SIM card is detected by going to the settings, then to connections, SIM card manager. And here you can see I have now SIM 1, Virgin Mobile, and no number, but anyway it reads this SIM card. And there's also notification that SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.